Alright YouTube, so in this video I'm just going to do a POV driving video inside of the M4. Real quick, we're going to go ahead and do a walk around the car before we get going. Car is super dirty right now. Yeah, I'm going to go get it washed tonight. But we're going to do a POV driving. You guys get to hear the car, kind of see it from the inside, everything like that. And yeah, so I'm not going to talk too long. So we're just gonna hop inside and go ahead and get started. I just finished up at the gym. Now I'm on my way back, or I went to go get food. Now I'm gonna drive back home. So we should have some back roads that then lead into driving on like the highway. Make sure this woman doesn't hit me. Didn't look like she was even paying attention. So yeah. We'll get over to the back roads, which then are going to get to the highway, and then we'll go from there. So I got my eye on the GoPro. So far it looks good. Doesn't look too bad. But yeah. So you guys should be able to hear the car as well. I'm going to go ahead and put the sport kind of look to it. Why? Whatever. Go ahead and crack the window for you guys here so you guys can hear the car a little bit better. Probably going to be able to hear the brakes squeaking as well. My brakes are super squeaky right now. But that's just what you get when you get carbon ceramics. It's alright though. Not that big of a deal. At first I couldn't stand it. But now I'm kind of just used to it. I'm here first, bro. I have to get that wireless thing where I can have it just this, my radar up here. This wire keeps falling down. It's the most annoying thing ever. Also, for those of you wondering what I got to eat, if you know me, you know that I went to get kava for the 100th time. I go probably every single day. It's basically like Chipotle, but better. So, yeah. Too bad this guy's in my way. I like to push it a little bit, rip it. Also, need to go get the car cleaned. I'm gonna be going to New York tomorrow, get some more pictures, some content, all that. So need to make sure the car is going to be clean for that. So probably tonight I'll be going to my boy's shop. They're going to go ahead and detail the car. Maybe I'll vlog that as well for a different video. Let me know if you guys also. I'm probably going to vlog tomorrow anyways when I go to the city. So we'll see. But yeah. Tomorrow will be New York. You guys might get a video for that. Probably. I gotta make sure I bring a bunch of chargers and stuff for my phone, for the cameras, because last time, if you guys saw the last New York City vlog, that one it ended up fine, but like towards the end, our phones, the cameras, everything was dying. So, pretty tragic, but again, what are you gonna do? So this time we're going to make sure we're prepared, bring a bunch of chargers, all that. Yeah, make sure we get a good vlog for that. Hopefully the music's not loud enough where it's overpowering the sound of the car. So we're going to be coming up to the highway pretty soon. Gonna stop here, get to the light, make a right, and then the highway is right over there. Brakes are super squeaky. What are you gonna do? Oh well. You guys can hear some burbles. I am also some news. I'm planning kind of first mod to the car. First mod to the car is probably gonna be
probably going to be the CSL style grill. So I'm planning on getting that. And then I think after that is when, this guy's picking up salt everywhere, is probably when I'm going to be getting the car wrapped. So I'm not going to say how I'm going to wrap it or what color. I'm also not 100% certain, but I do have an idea of what I want. So you guys will see that video when that eventually comes out. But regardless, need to get it wrapped first anyways. Also need to decide on the color. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to put some recommendations for colors of the car, I'll go ahead and take a look, and then we can see. And then if we end up picking the color that you guys recommend, then I don't know, we'll do something for it. Whoever picks a color and I end up going with it. We're on a 2-lane, so making moves is going to be a little bit difficult, but we'll make do. This guy on my left is not going to let me in. Whatever, we're moving this lane. Also make sure not to talk too much so that you guys can hear the car, all that fun stuff. That's what you guys are all here for. At least some of you guys are here for me to talk. Those burbles, man, those things, oh my god. I love this car. The sound, the feel to it. Another thing, you guys are literally looking at it right now. I want to get a new steering wheel. Again, if you guys have recommendations for that, let me know. Just because I don't like this silver. It looks super boring. So let me know what you guys think. What steering wheel I should get. If I should get an Alcantara steering wheel. If I should get just carbon fiber, everything. Let me know what you guys think. What steering wheel should I get? If you guys have any recommendations, let me know also. If there's like brand names, all that. Come on, let's keep moving. Also, the roads are starting to become a lot better from the last POV video we did. Last time it was all icy, snowy. Traffic coming up, so if there is traffic, or I don't think it's on this side, if there's traffic, we'll cut the traffic and we'll skip to when we get out of it, as if we have to sit. We'll see we're in like 30 seconds, not even 10 seconds. I think we also might have some tunnels coming up, longer ones than that last one we just went through. Also, on this road, if I go it's a lot further. This video would be like 30 minutes, 40 minutes if I went to that one. It's a long tunnel. Where I would be able to, traffic's on the outside. It's a long tunnel where I'd be able to get some crazy ass clip. Shut up. I wish this radar would like only be. I mean, I could probably set it up where it's like only like the cop windows. It's like that shit. That's never an actual cop. Kind of gay. But what are you gonna do? Too lazy to set it all up. I remember I just literally got the car, took that out of the case, stuck it on, drove out the lot of the dealership. So go ahead and make sure the music's low. We gotta push on the right here. Someone let me in. Oh, this guy's awesome. He let me in. I don't know if he's gonna be able to see me. Put my hand up. That's pretty cool. Cool guy there. I think it's a taxi driver. From New York. Might be a car guy. I'm gonna assume so. Usually, can't tell if people are nicer to me on the road or not because of the car, but sometimes I feel like they're snakier. I remember when I got the car, like day of, I went to the dealership, picked it up, was driving back home, and there was this guy in like a, it was like a, just, I don't know what type of car it was, just a basic car. And he was just riding my ass. And the cars in front of me were stopping. So it was to get off on an exit. The cars in front of me are stopping, and he's on my ass, and I'm like, oh, like I'm like pressing the brake like very, very lightly, but like making sure that I stop so I don't hit the person in front, but he's so close. Yeah, no, I can't tell if people do that to me or not. No. That's not gonna be makeable. I think if I push, this guy's gonna follow with me. He's in a massive ass like Suburban. Oh my god, why'd you move over? Please? Oh my god. I flashed him, he hits his brakes. Getting held up here. Let me drive. Oh my god, this is terrible. Oh, she moved. Oh, he is following. He's not really catching up though, but gotta slow down here anyways. Ooh. It's crazy how this thing just picks up. Like it's hitting these speeds and it's like it doesn't feel like it's working hard. Like it's like too easy for it. It's insane. I don't know if we'll be able to make that. It's a little sketchy. See, I like to drive fun, but if it's sketchy, then nah, fuck that. I'm not gonna do anything that's sketchy. Especially on seeing on TikTok so many kids just fucking get in their car on week like their G80, G82s and then just crashing it. Oh, what the fuck? I've seen way too many kids getting their G80s, G82s just totaled within like the first week, 2 weeks of getting it on TikTok. So I'm not gonna be definitely not gonna be driving fucking crazy and sketchy. Also, I do have X Drive, so I can push it a little bit more, feel safer. Make a thumbnail for it. I might record an intro, like a different one. We'll see. You guys will know if the intro doesn't start in the car, then that's a new intro. If the intro's in the car, then it's the same one that I did. So I need to get this car cleaned. Let me know what you guys thought of the nighttime drive as well. I think this one honestly is going to come out better because I feel like with the daytime you could see like a lot more. Whereas with nighttime I feel like you can only see like such like a small amount. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Also, is there any setup for filming these types of videos that are better than using a GoPro? Because I got the GoPro. I don't know which one it is. It's one of it's like a newer one, but it's like small. Like the Mini or whatever. I don't know. But good quality on it though. But is there a better option to film these videos? Like, can I use my phone? Is that better? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. I wonder if people have noticed this GoPro just hanging above. It's actually just my dash cam. Yes, I have Justin Timberlake playing. Don't judge. That is my song. Alright. Well, I'm about to be home. Not gonna get my house on camera or anything like that. But if you guys enjoyed the video, everything like that, make sure to go ahead, leave a comment of what you guys thought. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, everything like that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.